Now what I'm going to do is use my sulfuric acid to react with the excess zinc that I have in my solution. The sulfuric acid will not react with my copper, but it will react with my zinc. And so it'll dissolve all of that excess zinc, which hopefully you won't have too much. And ultimately what I'll be left with is just my copper. So this solution down at the bottom, well, that solution at the bottom is just going to be the zinc ions and no copper ions, and ideally no solid copper. You're going to take that coffee filter and that solid copper that remains, put it on your watch glass and put your watch glass in the oven. Let that incubate for 10 minutes and then determine the mass of that mixture. If you need to, let it incubate for a couple more minutes and see basically, is there still any excess solution there? But essentially what we've done is we've gone from one form of copper, we've oxidized it, then ultimately we reduce it. Now the purpose of this is to visualize copper in its different forms, different ionic compounds that copper can form. We saw a soluble ionic compound, and then we later saw an insoluble or pair of insoluble ionic compounds. I hope this was helpful in visualizing copper in its different forms and different types of reactions, especially those that are oxidation and reduction reactions. Well, I hope this is helpful, and I hope that you have a good one.